If managing your money feels overwhelming or confusing, this video will help you finally see where your money is going without stressing over every single dollar. I'll show you how to get started with Simplifi, what actually matters as a beginner, and how you can use it without stressing yourself out. Simplifi is a budgeting and money tracking app built for people who want clarity and not perfection. If you want to understand where your money is going, feel more in control, and stop the guessing at the end of the month, this app is a great starting point. It's not for the hardcore budgeters where every dollar has a strict job. Getting started is very simple. You just connect to your bank accounts, your credit cards, and investments, and Simplifi pulls everything together automatically. And don't worry, you can't really mess anything up at this point. You could always edit or remove accounts later on. Once everything looks right and you understand the layout, you can always add more accounts over time. And you don't need to organize anything right away. Also, you don't need to set up the perfect categories. Just connect a couple accounts and let the app do the work. At this stage, the goal is pretty simple. Just get a basic view of your money in one place so you can start building some clarity. Once everything is connected, you'll land on the dashboard. Now this is where Simplifi starts to feel useful instead of overwhelming finances. You'll see your banking totals, net worth, investing, and property and debt. Think of this as your financial snapshot. It's not telling you what to do, it's just showing you what happened. The spending plan is the core of Simplifi and the part most beginners are worried about. Your money is broken into simple buckets. First are the bucket for your bills and subscriptions. These are fixed and predictable costs. Second is flexible spending like groceries, eating out, and shopping. Third is whatever money left over. What I like here is that it's realistic. If you spend a little bit more one week, it doesn't feel like you failed. The app adjusts and shows you what that means going forward. So say for example, if you overspend on dining this week, Simplifi shows you what that means for the rest of the month instead of just yelling at you. It's less about the rules and more about awareness. One of the biggest advantages of Simplifi is that it works quietly in the background. As you connect more accounts over time, the picture becomes clearer and more accurate. The more data the app has, the better it can surface patterns, trends, and blind spots you might not notice on your own. You don't need to manually log purchases or constantly adjust categories. Over time, you start seeing trends, where you're consistently overspending and where you can actually be doing better than you thought. And that's where the real behavioral change happens, gradually and without pressure. You don't need to set up dozens of goals on day one. Start small. Maybe it's building a small buffer for your checking account, or maybe it's saving for a trip or a house. Simplifi also offers alerts, but they work best when you keep it simple. Use them for things that truly matter and not just constant notifications. Here's the breakdown after using Simplifi as a beginner-focused budgeting app. On the plus side, it's clean, easy to understand, and doesn't punish you for just living your life. It pulls everything together automatically and shows you where your money is going and keeps things realistic instead of rigid. On the downside, if you love extreme customization, spreadsheets, or assigning every dollar to a certain job, Simplifi may feel a little too light. It's designed for clarity and consistency and not micromanagement. If you want a simple, stress-free way to understand your money, Simplifi does a great job. It gives you visibility without pressure. If you're brand new to budgeting or just restarting after giving up in the past, like myself, this is one of the easier ways to get going. If you decide to try Simplifi, you can use the referral link pinned below in the comments. It helps not only support the channel, but also gives you a discount on your subscription. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing, and let me know in the comments what part of managing your money feels the most frustrating right now. Is it tracking spending, staying consistent, or just getting started? I read through all the comments and it does help the shape of future videos. YouTube thinks you're going to enjoy this video next, and I'll see you guys in the next one.